Hello everyone, it's 25th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have India and US begin work on trade draft. Goyal underlines no deal with the gun to the head. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have barring pandemic year, air and capital sees fastest post Diwali improvement in decade. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have rain likely next week. Delhi readies for cloud seeding. Again, very important for science and tech as well as environment perspective. Moving forward, we have historian Sunil Amrit wins the 2025 British Academy Book Prize for The Burning Earth. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for the examination perspective. The first editorial says, please mind the gap. Making India a scientific technological powerhouse needs reimagination of research architecture. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have tariff and sanctions. With Trump squeezing Russian oil firms, India needs to carefully reassess its energy imports, holding its own. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have ceasefire to peace. For broader regional stability, Israel must return to a politics of accountability. A fresh mandate might show the way. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the peacemakers border. Amid reports of violations, the US has swiftly intervened to ensure that Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu stays the course. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have pendency issue in courts. YSC flagged execution petitions. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page. Trump ends Canada trade talks over TV ads. Carney says ready to resume. Then we have Zelensky urged US to broaden Russian oil sanctions, seeks long-range missiles. Then we have US sends aircraft carrier to Latin America. Then we have Japan scrambles jets as Russian bombers fly close to its airspace. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have bank funding of corporate takeovers, RBI to cap lending at 70% of the deal value. Then we have don't give comfort to dishonest taxpayers, says finance minister. Then we have NHAI to deploy NSVS on 20,000 kilometers of highways, how it will scan for defects. All these news are very important for economy perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye bye, take care.